Snow City. Crocs. What's up, guys? How's it going? It feels like summer outside. It's like 0 degrees or +1, which is not a good thing. I mean, it's nice because the snowpack's down, but it's gonna be +7 tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. So all the snow we just got the other day is hopefully not gonna be gone, because I want to still rip up the sled, but then it's supposed to snow again after, so it's supposed to rain for like 2 days. Ugh. I called the dealership. My truck is gonna be a few more weeks, so we're still gonna stay with the old black F-150 Platinum. Beat her up a little more, but yeah, I think it's time for the race sled. I got to loosen the straps under it, because that thing should be a wheelie machine, but since it's set up for racing, they don't want it to wheelie during the race. So the straps underneath that hold the skid up so it doesn't stand up all the time are super tight. So I'm gonna see if I can get under there, loosen them off, because I just want that bitch just to stand up like that. That's how I'm gonna drive it. That's how I'm gonna steer too. Just whew. Frick, it's nice out. I mean, it's not nice out. It shouldn't be this warm. It's weird. It's freaking January, start of January, and I'm out here in a t-shirt and Crocs. But that's what happens when you live in Canada. It could be pouring rain, slushy right now, which is gonna do tomorrow, but at least we've had a good start to the winter. Usually, like, it doesn't even make sense to even buy a snowmobile. I was surprised I bought one this year, but yeah, that's just the way the cookie crumbles, right? So let's fire up the old garage there. I decided not to open the door today, so it stays warm in there, so I can work on that sled in a t-shirt. And yeah, we'll get the straps loosened off, run to the gas station, grab some gas, and then take her for a spin. Let's keep her rolling, boys. I should just build this into a jump. Maybe I can convince Scotty to come off here and jump way down the hill over there. That would be in freaking tense. All right, let's do this. Anyone need a Rockstar? All right, the machine. I've had the fan on her all night to dry it off, because this thing was just caked with snow yesterday. And it was that packing snow, so it was literally like, it was everywhere. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I've never actually loosened the straps before, but I know you just get under there, and I don't know if I have to lift it up, or I'll figure it out. The boys from TEAMLTD are coming today too. We're gonna film a promo video for their new retro hoodie, retro coat, whatever they call it. So that's gonna be a separate video though. So let's see if we can get the straps loosened off and point this thing to the moon. Straight up and down, boys. 12 o'clock. Rip! These straps are loosened off a little bit. So I didn't know how loose to make them. I just went 1 notch down. That was fun. The first one was easy. The second one was harder because this whole skid dropped. So I used a ratchet strap and tightened her up a little bit, but got her done. So I'm gonna run to the gas station, get some petrol, and see if that changed anything. Hopefully it changed anything, because I don't want to loosen them off again, but might have to. You never know. So I'm learning so much about working on sleds. With the trail sled, I just drove it and then took it to the dealership and let them change the oil. I didn't really give a crap, but yeah. So off to the gas station, and then we'll take this thing for a quick scoot. See if that changed anything. Hopefully it did. You never really know with these things. You never really know. Got my race juice, my Stoker Industries gas filling pipe thing. This thing is awesome, actually. It's got a valve, so you don't spill fuel everywhere, because I'm pretty good at doing that. I got my Rockstar Race additive. Pour that in there, and we should be good to go. She's getting warmer by the minute out here. Whew. So I topped her off with gas, then I decided, you know what? I'm gonna loosen the straps off again. The first time I just loosened them off 1 notch, and then I was like, you know what? I want this to be a guarantee wheelier. So I didn't want to fill it full of snow, then bring it back, melt it, and then loosen the straps again. So I just loosened it another, so it's 2 notches now. Hopefully that does the trick. I guess we'll find out. Let's fire this thing up and take it for a quick spin. Quick ditch bang. Whew. All right, we'll see if she still runs here.
Straight out the garage. I'm thinking first pull this time. I did a first pull yesterday and then a second pull. So let's see if she'll do first pull today. It's been in the garage, so it should be fairly warm. Prime the pump. That's my girl. Good old first pull. Well, it's confirmed. She wheelies like a frickin' bicycle. I figured it was the straps. You know, I didn't really know until I actually first rode it. I was like, why does this thing just not want to pull up? Usually you just hit the gas and these ski-doos are so light they just pull straight up in the air. But yeah, so I might actually, I think I could loosen it probably once more, but that's probably good enough where it is. I'm gonna run it like that for now, see how it does, and then you know, if I want to have it straight up in the air all the time, then I'll loosen her off one more. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was fun. It's nice now that the snow is getting a lot more harder too, so it's not just fluff where the sled just digs down and kind of floats. It just digs down and it's got something to grab onto, which is nice. So yeah, anyways, I'm just waiting for the LTD guys to get here, and we're gonna do this film shoot. So thank you guys for watching. Of course, you guys are the best. Thanks for the comments, the thumbs ups, just everything. Check out the merch store below. There's tons of links, discounts, all the fun stuff. Thank you guys again. We'll see you later.